here is a work order. It's got all of the information needed to communicate whose job it's for, who's the customer, what room it's for, what fabric we're using, how many yards we have, what's the description of the treatment. In this case, it's traversing sheer drapery, split draw, and there's 2 pairs. It's got the finish width, the return, the overlap, finish length, total widths, and in this case we're railroading, so I wrote railroad. It's got a section where you can circle stack left, stack right, center draw, or stationary panel, and in this case they are center draw. So we circled that. Pleat style, in this case 2-finger top tack, which is also a Euro pleat. Buckram size, you can circle which size buckram you like, and in this case we're doing the 4-inch, which is standard. Pin setting, 1/2 inch in this case. Bottom hem 4 inches. You could do 5. And any of these also you could pencil in a specific number that if it's not there, you're not limited to those sizes. And then down below here we have a section where the workroom would figure out their cuts and do the math on that before doing any cutting, just to make sure you have the math worked out and your pleat to pleat size. This is a description of, since there's 2 pair, this is the living room, this is the dining room, and all the dimensions and the math. Down here it says special instructions. We want a beaded weight chain in the bottom and 2.5 times fullness. And there's plenty of room for other information if you need to take notes or do some math or draw a picture. And then if there's a lining, you would put the lining there. If there's a banding of a second fabric, you would put that there. Inner lining, trim, if there's any trim on the leading edges or the bottom. And that's pretty much about it. This is my own customized work order. You can all make your own or find these online through different companies that make forms. But this is my favorite version because it's got everything that I would like to have on a work order, and I wouldn't do any project without one because it's vital that you have all of the right information as you're working on a project. And that's about it. Thanks.